How to delete duplicate contacts on iPhone iOS 16. So first step is to open Contacts application. Choose one from the list here. And as you can see, if you have duplicates, this message will show here. So in my case, I have two duplicates. Merging duplicate cards for a contact combines through the cards, keeping all unique information in a single card for that contact. So if you don't want to merge, just close that tab, or you can tap on View Duplicates. In here, you're gonna see all duplicated contacts. So the options that we have is Merge All or Ignore All. If we tap on Merge All, it's gonna merge all the duplicate contacts into one. And if we ignore, the contact list will stay as is. Now, if you want some specific contacts to merge and some to ignore, slide that specific contact, and in here you can click Not Merge, and from here you can just merge all. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.